Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to use crying filter on Snapchat. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to make sure that we do have an updated Snapchat account. We can do so by going into our App Store and make sure that we do have an updated Snapchat account. Once everything is updated, we can go ahead and log into our Snapchat account. So the very first thing that we are going to do is to swipe left, and once this will prompt on our screen, we can simply click the search icon, and right after that we can go ahead and start typing. So just like for example, crying. So once we are routed on this page, we can see the different filters in relation to crying. So we are just going to use one of these. So we're just going to click this. And right after that, we can now go ahead and use this particular filter. So just like for example, if you notice on this image, the crying filter is now applied. So let's take a snap then. Okay, so if you notice, that particular filter was applied. So there you have it. That's how we are going to use crying filter on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.